think we better go home.
Sounds pretty cool back here. These woods. Kind of magical right now.
Don't look up.
No, don't look up. Don't look towards the wind either.
We may need to go back. You know there was this actual storm coming.
It's raining!
Ugh. We didn't check the weather. Started raining.
She didn't check the weather.
So I wanted to go back. I knew I had to check the weather.
I love the rain!
I hate the rain.
Yeah, Lily loves the rain! This is like the second best thing to swim in. Look at it down. Look, they're out there.